What if your dream home wasn't designed by an architect, but by artificial intelligence? No sketches, no floor plans, just your imagination turned into reality by a machine that understands your desires, your moods, and your sense of peace. I decided to find out what happens when AI designs a home not just for comfort, but for soul. It all started with a simple question. If AI could create a home that truly feels like me, what would it look like? I began describing my vision to the AI, not in measurements or materials, but in feelings. I want a home that feels calm but powerful, a place where every sunrise feels like a new beginning, a place that inspires me to think, create, and rest. Within seconds, the AI began to build that world. The first image it generated stopped me cold. A glass front house nestled between trees, where sunlight poured through every window. The design was both futuristic and organic, sharp lines meeting soft textures. The AI had created something that looked alive, as if it was breathing in sync with nature. Then I refined the prompt. Make it sustainable, minimal, and intelligent. The AI responded by integrating self-cooling walls, solar roofs disguised as sleek black tiles, rainwater collecting systems built into the garden, and a living wall of greenery that filters air naturally. It wasn't just designing for beauty, it was designing for purpose. Inside, every room felt intentional. The AI created open spaces that flowed naturally into each other. No harsh divisions, no wasted corners. The living room faced the morning sun. The workspace was designed with sound-dampening patterns invisible to the eye, and the kitchen felt like a sanctuary of warmth and light. But then I pushed further. I asked the AI to design a home that reflects the human journey. And that's when it became art. It designed a hallway that subtly transitioned in tone and lighting, from bright, open hues near the entrance to deeper, calmer tones near the bedroom, symbolizing growth, reflection, and peace. The AI explained that the light journey represented how humans move from curiosity to wisdom, from chaos to calm. That hit me deeply. Then came the room of focus. I asked for a space to create, think, and dream. The AI designed a circular study with panoramic views of the sky, surrounded by floating shelves of books, and a skylight that changes color temperature depending on the time of day. Warmer for energy, cooler for calm. It even added a quiet fountain in the corner, saying it would stimulate flow state through gentle sound. For rest, it designed a bedroom that blurs the line between indoors and outdoors, a retractable glass wall opening to a private garden, soft stone flooring that feels cool underfoot, and lighting that automatically mimics the rhythm of sunrise and sunset. It's not just a room, it's an ecosystem built around peace. And then, the AI did something unexpected. Without me asking, it generated a quote over the final render. A home is not built from walls, but from energy that reflects who you are. That's when I realized. AI doesn't just copy design trends. It learns what moves us. It studies emotion, function, and rhythm. It listens. The final dream home was a blend of intelligence and serenity. Smart enough to understand daily life, but gentle enough to feel human. It was the perfect marriage of technology and tranquility. Every part of it had a purpose, from air purification through plants to intelligent temperature balance and self-sustaining power. What does an AI-designed dream home look like? It looks like you, translated into space and light. It's a reflection of your energy, your routines, your dreams. It's art that adapts to your life. The future isn't about AI replacing architects. It's about AI and humans co-creating spaces that heal, inspire, and evolve. Your next home might not just be built by technology. It might understand you. Listen to this as your reminder. Your imagination is the blueprint. AI is just the builder. Dream fearlessly because now your ideas have the power to take shape. Subscribe for more AI innovations, creative experiments, and futuristic design ideas.